front of me is Onro Magic V2, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening settings and tapping on more connections right away. Then select printing. Click on default print service or select add service and install the best one for you. Either way, it will work pretty much the same. Now tap on one of your services, and if it's not already on, use gray switcher at the top right corner. Lastly, just wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!